On the occasion of International Day of Persons with Disabilities, physically challenged children participated in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Clean India mission with an aim to motivate people towards keeping the country clean. The International Day of Persons with Disabilities is an observance promoted by the United Nations since 1992 that aims to promote understanding issues related to disability and extend support for the dignity, rights and well-being of persons with disabilities. At least 70 million Indians live with psychosocial disabilities like schizophrenia or bipolar disorder, and more than 1.5 million have intellectual disabilities such as Down syndrome.
मैं अपने देश को स्वच्छ करने के लिए आया हूँ। अगर हमारा देश स्वच्छ रहेगा तो और भी लोगों को प्रेरणा मिलेगी कि हमें स्वच्छ अपने भारत को स्वच्छ रखना है।
Children in Noida took part in the cleanliness drive as well.
मैं समझता हूं कि अगर विश्व में कहीं भारत की कहीं अगर कमी महसूस आती तो ये आती है कि देश में कहीं ना कहीं गंदगी है, और उन्होंने महात्मा गांधी जी को कोट कर भी कहा था कि वो भी चाहते थे कि देश एक स्वच्छ भारत हो।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi had launched the nationwide cleanliness mission on October 2nd to raise awareness at the grassroots level for better sanitation in a bid to create a sense of responsibility among citizens under the banner of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India Mission.
अगर ये मोटिवेशन सबको मिल रहा है जो हम कर रहे हैं, हम गली गली जाके साफ कर रहे हैं, और ये बहुत स्वच्छ भारत अभियान जो मोदी जी ने सोचा है, मैं उनके जितना उनका तारीफ करूं कम है।
India's expanding towns and cities are littered with garbage, the result of massive urban migration, poor civic planning and inadequate waste disposal systems, and rivers and lakes are polluted with sewage and industrial effluents. Less than a third of India's 1.2 billion people have access to sanitation, and more than 1,86,000 children under 5 die every year from diarrhea disease caused by unsafe water and poor sanitation. The United Nations said in May half of India's people defecate outside, putting people at risk of cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, hepatitis A and typhoid. The resulting diseases and deaths, mostly among the poor, cause major losses. According to a WaterAid research, about 16 million Indians a year gain access to a basic toilet. This will need to increase to more than 100 million a year if the whole population is to have a toilet by 2019. Business Bureau, DT News.